Welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about the striped Raphael catfish, also known as the striped catfish or spotted catfish. It is native to the Amazon and Orinoco river basins in South America. The species is known for its striking appearance and peaceful temperament, making it a popular choice among aquarium enthusiasts. An interesting fact about the striped Raphael catfish is its ability to produce a low-frequency sound through specialized bones in its body, often used for communication with other catfish. This sound production is a unique adaptation that helps them navigate and interact in their dark underwater environment. The striped Raphael catfish are characterized by their broad, flattened bodies and distinctive stripe patterns. They typically reach lengths of 12 to 14 inches. Their coloration is a mix of dark brown and black with contrasting lighter stripes, which help them blend into their natural habitat among rocks and debris. And the wild striped Raphael catfish inhabit slow-moving rivers, streams, and flooded areas where they seek shelter among submerged logs, rocks, and aquatic vegetation. In captivity, they thrive in a tank of at least 75 gallons, with a temperature range of 75 degrees to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, and a pH level between 6.0 and 7.5. A sandy or soft substrate and plenty of hiding spots are essential for their well-being. These catfish are primarily nocturnal, becoming more active during the night when they search for food. They are omnivores, feeding on a varied diet that includes sinking pellets, algae wafers, and occasional live or frozen foods. It's essential to provide a balanced diet to promote their health and well-being. A spacious aquarium with plenty of hiding places, such as caves and driftwood, is crucial for striped Raphael catfish. They are generally peaceful and can be kept with other non-aggressive species, including tetras and other community fish. However, avoid housing them with overly aggressive fish that may compete for space or food. It's important to note that they can become territorial as they mature, so providing multiple hiding spots can help reduce stress and aggression. They're popular in the aquarium trade for their unique appearance and algae-eating habits. They help keep the tank clean by scavenging for leftover food. However, they can produce significant waste, so regular water changes and a good filtration system are essential for maintaining water quality. Be cautious of their size. Larger specimens require larger tanks, and they may outgrow smaller setups. That concludes our care guide for the striped Raphael catfish. This fascinating fish not only contributes to the aesthetics of your aquarium, but also plays a vital role in keeping it clean. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences with the striped Raphael catfish in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy fish keeping.